Welcome to our roundup of the 12 smart kitchen gadgets that are designed to make your cooking experience easier, faster, and more enjoyable. From advanced toasters to innovative scrubbers, we've got the best gadgets to upgrade your kitchen. Let's get started. The Flat Mop and Bucket is designed to make your cleaning routine effortless. Its 360-degree rotating head easily reaches corners and narrow spaces, while its flexible design ensures you can clean hard-to-reach areas with ease. It's perfect for windows, providing a streak-free shine, and fits into tight spaces like baseboards. The bucket features two grooves, one for clean water and the other for wringing out the mop. With washable microfiber pads, you can maintain effective cleaning, and when you're done, the compact design allows for easy storage, saving space in any room. The Flat Mop and Bucket is the perfect tool for efficient and hassle-free cleaning. Introducing the next generation COSORI Turbo Blaze 6.0 Air Fryer, designed to revolutionize your cooking experience. Featuring Turbo Blaze technology and the first ever DC motor in an air fryer, it delivers up to 46% faster cooking times, perfect for busy schedules. With a temperature range of 90 degrees to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, you can cook your favorite dishes exactly the way you like them. Enjoy next-generation speed and versatility with 9 customizable cooking functions, including air fry, roast, bake, and more. Step into the future of air frying, effortless, efficient, and tailored to your needs. Join the next generation of air frying today. Introducing the rotating Pomodoro timer, a gravity-sensing productivity tool designed to keep you on track. With its innovative design, simply flip the cube to the preset side, 5, 25, 10, or 50 minutes, to start the countdown automatically. Need to pause? Flip the display screen upwards, or reset it by turning it face down. This timer also doubles as a stopwatch, letting you customize settings from 00 to 99 minutes and 59 seconds for ultimate flexibility. Beyond work or study, it's a game changer in the kitchen. Perfect for timing baking tasks, cooking, or meal prep with precision. Whether you're managing projects or perfecting recipes, this stylish and functional timer is your ideal companion. Introducing the SYLVOX 15.6-inch Flip-Down TV, designed for ultimate convenience in your kitchen or compact spaces. Its screen rotates horizontally by 45 degrees and vertically up to 90 degrees, making it perfect for under-cabinet mounting. Enjoy vibrant 1080p Full HD visuals with a wide 178-degree viewing angle, ideal for catching every detail while cooking or relaxing. The tempered glass screen offers scratch resistance for added durability. With built-in dual speakers and ARC and CEC support, connect seamlessly to your devices for immersive sound. Compact, space-saving, and versatile, it's perfect for kitchens, RVs, or yachts. Introducing the NOVETE Portable Dishwasher, your ultimate small space cleaning solution. With high-pressure washing, it flushes every gap between tableware using top and bottom spray arms equipped with 14 water ports for 360-degree cleaning coverage. It easily fits a variety of dishes, even up to 12 inches when loaded at an angle. Compatible with dishwasher detergents, pods, liquid, or powder, this dishwasher ensures versatility. The touch control panel makes operations simple. You can add water directly to the built-in tank using the included pitcher, or connect it via the faucet mode for a continuous supply. The water temperature ranges from 165 degrees to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, providing a deep, streak-free clean for even the toughest messes. The dry mode adds 60 minutes of hot air drying and 72-hour storage, keeping your dishes fresh and ready to use. Plus, the Fruit Wash feature includes a basket for effortlessly cleaning fruits and vegetables, ensuring hygiene at every step. Introducing the COSORI Roll-Up Dish Drying Rack, a space-saving marvel designed to simplify your kitchen tasks. Made with soft, food-safe silicone, its roll-up design makes it effortless to fold and unfold. Rinse and drain dishes, silverware, or even fruits and vegetables directly over the sink, keeping water off your counter for a tidier workspace. This rack is sturdy enough for drying heavy cookware and doubles as a dishcloth hanger or heat-resistant mat for hot foods. Easy to clean and store, it's perfect for maintaining a neat and organized kitchen. Make your everyday chores easier with this versatile kitchen essential. The undersink organizer helps you save space and stay organized. Made with durable, rust-resistant HIPS material and a frosted matte surface, it provides strong support. Its two-tier design includes sliding drawers for easy access to detergents, condiments, or other items, and 4 removable hooks for small objects. The drainage design prevents water accumulation, making it easy to clean. Perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, garages, or offices, this organizer brings efficiency and convenience to any space. Cabe Vegetables Spiral Tool transforms your veggies or fruits into macaroni shapes effortlessly. Simply rotate and push the tool through your produce. When you reach the end, pull out the knife to reveal perfectly spiraled fruit or vegetable macaroni, ready to elevate your dishes. It's perfect for creating healthy, fun meals or garnishes. Compact and easy to clean, it's a must-have for any kitchen. Transform your gatherings with the COSORI Electric Fondue Pot Set, the perfect way to indulge in delicious treats. This deluxe set includes a 10-aughts melting bowl, a 3-section detachable tray for easy serving and cleaning, and 4 roasting forks. Effortlessly heat your chocolate to a perfect 140 Fahrenheit, then switch to warm mode for serving. Dip fruits, marshmallows, pretzels, candies, or anything you crave. Want cheese fondue? Melt your cheese separately, then keep it warm in the pot. Host unforgettable fondue parties for game nights, movie nights, or romantic date nights. It's also an ideal gift for housewarmings, weddings, Valentine's Day, or even self-care moments. With COSORI, you're not just making fondue, you're creating delectable memories. Enjoy a premium product designed for kids and adults alike, backed by COSORI's satisfaction promise. The Revolution touchscreen toaster is smarter, faster, and tastier, making every toast perfect. Featuring over 60 settings, it tailors toasting to your preference with precision. Powered by Instaglow technology, it heats up rapidly, searing bread without drying it, ensuring a crunchy outside and soft inside. The intuitive touchscreen offers options for bread, bagels, waffles, and more, with fresh or frozen modes. With 3 toasting modes and 7 shades, it provides consistent results every time. The sleek stainless steel design, complete with a full-color display, adds a luxurious touch to your kitchen while upgrading your breakfast experience. The Rosia's electric salt and pepper grinder features a unique design with a power switch for easy control. It allows you to adjust the thickness of your grind with a simple twist, offering fine to coarse grinding options. The gravity induction type grinding is activated instantly when flipped, making it quick and effortless to use. With its stainless steel body and blue LED light, you can easily see how much spice you're adding, making it a practical and stylish addition to any kitchen. Perfect for those with hand pain or arthritis. The Sega electric spin scrubber comes with 5 interchangeable brushes and pads for versatile cleaning. The flat brush is perfect for tile joints in bathrooms and kitchens, wheel hubs, and patio furniture. The detailed cleaning brush is designed for corners, profiles, tile joints, and hard-to-reach areas. Non-scratch pads are ideal for cleaning delicate surfaces like pans, sinks, countertops, glass, and cookware without damage. For tougher jobs, the heavy-duty pads are great for cleaning uncoated pans, utensils, and stovetops, ensuring deep cleaning with ease and convenience. This cordless scrubber is perfect for both small and large cleaning tasks around the home. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip for effortless use. And there you have it, the 12 smart kitchen gadgets to elevate your cooking and simplify daily tasks. From automated grinders to high-tech blenders, these gadgets are sure to make your kitchen smarter and your cooking more efficient. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more. Happy cooking!